Hi, Freedom. Are you excited to be outside? It's a little chilly. Hello. Hello. Hello, pretty bird. Did you get a pellet? Did you get yourself a pellet? I don't see one. You getting water? No? Freedom? Oh, you got a pellet. Good for you. There's our bird. Freedom, do you like the outdoors? Do you love it? See, I love this lake and the ducks. So I've got Peking ducks, Muscovy ducks. Hey, Freedom. And of course, the ducks move around. Okay, here's one. Either taking a bath or probably mating. Not kidding. Let's say we do a lot later. I think they're mating right now. What do we do in the bath? Yeah, I think this is a bath. And then we got a lift in on shore. Oh, I love it. Good job, Freedom. Good boy. Okay, Freedom. The Parrot.